And that's the health minister. Let's connect right now with my colleague George Queenie, who was at that news conference for us. George, the minister has been speaking in quite detail, condemning amongst many other things the attack, and also responding to some criticism that have come his way as a result of his handshake with Ralph. How has he been responding to these claims?
Thank you so much, Marina, for having me. A very good afternoon. We're coming to you live from the Ministry of Health. And so a while ago, the Sector Minister, Kobna Mintah-Kando, addressed the media and actually bordered on what transpired on Sunday at the Rich Hospital. If you are not aware about the situation, it was this gentleman who felt his friend, who was a patient then, was not well attended to. So he actually took the law into his hand and it went viral, and it's come with a lot of criticism here and then. So this is why the minister addressed the media. And so this actually borders on medical negligence. And it worries to know that some 10 million, Ghana actually spends more than 10 million cedis on medical negligence. And even that 10 million cedis can actually be just one, what is the name, health institution. So really Ghana is losing a lot when it comes to medical negligence. And so with this very issue, the minister has actually admonished professionals to actually normalize communication with patients, because sometimes these patients may not know what exactly these professionals are going through, and so they have to normalize that so that these patients can actually understand and appreciate what exactly they go through. And so if you recall, the association actually has also condemned the act and says the minister should prosecute the person involved. That's Ralph, who's an activist. And so if they are not able to condemn or arrest this person, they will actually take the laws into their hands. Maybe it's going to be a strike or whatever it is. But the minister, of course, felt that was more like a threat and actually inciting some sort of, violence and all that. But this is what he talked about. And so these leadership should not really incite, violence among the association. So this is what they want to avoid. It's an avoidable something. So they need to ensure that that is, actually contained. But he also says the issue about medical negligence is not an issue that started today, and it's a monster that is rearing its head. And so we need to ensure that we tackle that in the bud. It should be addressed as soon as possible. So these are some of the concerns that the minister put out. And so there are some, addresses that the minister put out. So if you have any issue that you want to put across, some numbers were given today, and I just want to take you through this number. So if you have any complaints regarding health service delivery, the ministry is entreating all citizens to contact the complaint desk at their health facility, and alternatively, they may also reach the ministry through this following channel. So there's complaint at moh.gov.gh, and then also contact number 020-688-7882 and also 020-688-7884. And also, they also caution citizens, regardless of your status in society, you don't have the right to attack any professional, regardless of the level of provocation at any health facility, Marina.
That's my colleague George Queenie with details from the health minister's press conference. Now we know that the